In this video, we're going to compare i3t EOS with i5t EOS. Back to i3t and i5t. So i3t has a low of 5 lumens and high of 180 lumens, while i5t has low of 15 lumens and high of 300 lumens, and it drops down to 30 lumens. So it runs for 2 hours and 30 minutes i5-3 with 300 lumens. So I don't know exactly how much time. I will check and I will put on the screen how much time it runs for 300 lumens and how much time it when it drops down 30 lumens. I'll check on that. While i3t runs for 180 lumens and runs for 21 minutes. So runtime for i3t in a high mode is just 21 minutes, under half an hour, while i5-3 runs for over 2.5 hours. So depends on what you want. You want to keep light, small, compact, i3t is the way to go, which uses AAA battery. This uses AA battery, single AA battery for i5t, single AAA battery for i3t. So both have 1.5 meter drop, 900 candela for i3t, i5t 910, which the difference you won't see much according to many people. And throw, both have 60 meter throw of a light, so it seems quite comparable by brightness and a little bit of difference in lumens. This is 180, 300. You won't see much difference on that one. Okay, good. Let's open this bad boy and check. So what you get here, user manual, quick. There's readme, which is as usual, insulating film. They're telling you how to take it out. So this is the i3t. That's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So size comparison with i5t, that's the big brother. This is i5t, this is i3t. So that's the size comparison. And that's how the face looks, diameter, the pattern, everything looks the same. Okay, let's open it up and remove the film. And this is AAA battery. Close it up. Oh, turned on. So since I have this one, I know how user interface is. So single press, double press, so medium, and leave and press again, high. So medium, which is 5 lumens. If I leave and press again, 180 lumens and leave. So if I press and leave, it's 5 lumens. This is 5 lumens. Switch it off and turn it on immediately. That's 180 lumens. Same thing here. Medium is 15 lumens and high 300 lumens. So first press 15 lumens and then off and on 300 lumens. So let's see both in medium. So this is medium i3t, medium i5t, and then i3t high and i5t high. So they both look quite same. I can't tell the difference. This is i3t in my right, and this is i5t. And then side to side. Let's see some beam shots on the wall. Okay, we start with i3t, medium, high. That's i3t medium. That's high. i3t medium, high. i5t medium, high. This is i3t, i5t, i3t, i5t. They almost look the same, but i3t has more wide beam than i5t. So i3t, i5t, this is side to side. i3t here, i5t here. That's side to side. So you have seen both i3t and i5t, and the rest is you to decide which one you want. This has a longer run time, this has a better beam, better pattern, and it has almost the same power like this one, but with a shorter runtime. Again, this is same thing with a review I did for Warrior Mini versus S1 Baton 2. So you decide, you can do the size comparison here again. So this is really small, you can use in your Leatherman pouch, works well with that. This one too, I just put it in Leatherman pouch. I'll show you. That's my Leatherman pouch, and there's my Super Tool 300 inside with bit kit. So let's see how you can put this one in. So that's how I put it. That's how it will go. That's how it looks. And the other side, let's put bits there, i5t, and that too looks snap. So this is a little bit smaller, but both fit well, you cannot tell, so you can use either of them and they both work well. So you decide which one you want. I hope this review has been helpful. Just keep commenting, please subscribe and for more videos, and I'll make sure I'm bringing more fun stuff, more EDC stuff, and more tools. Take care. Bye bye.